Bossing, anong masasabi mo sa Hyundai Venue? Sige, Nyap94, shoutout sa'yo. Tara, sagutin natin yan. Honest thoughts about the new version or the return of the comeback of the Hyundai Venue. So, I think it's possibly one of the best options for a first car because, first of all, its price. Grabe, yung top of the line niya, under 1 million lang. And then yung, of course, yung mid, tsaka yung kanyang base variant, napaka-affordable lang, 700,000 to under 1 million yung range ng kanyang variant. So, dun pa lang, talagang panalo ka na sa pangalan pa lang na SUV or small SUV, diba? What you're gonna be getting is, of course, ground clearance and yung space, headroom. Next is para sa akin, sobrang ganda nung interior niya, yung kanyang dashboard. Sobrang okay nung build quality. Hindi mo talaga may feel na cheap yung kanyang binabayaran mo. Okay na okay din yung features niya in terms of the top of the line. You have the reverse camera, rear sensors. That's all I'm gonna ask for a first car. And then lastly, yung kanyang sobrang impressive na 1.6 liter engine. I think that's really what a lot of people want, especially in terms of performance. You're gonna be having a great time driving it. Hindi ka mabibitin talaga. You have the peace of mind. Lalong-lalo na if you're gonna buy it as a family car, that 1.6 liter engine is really gonna be great to have. Major con lang talaga para sa akin ng Hyundai Venue, honestly, is even at the top spec, yung top of the line niya, is of course you can't have it all with all the great things I just said. You just won't have the second row AC vents. You won't be able to enjoy most of the toys that you're gonna be getting with the other competitors in the segment. If you ask me with regards to not having the second row AC vents, we've had that with our Toyota Vios. So, I think you can live with that. You have that with the usual Grab nga, diba? Yung mga Vios or yung mga taxi, and they don't have second row AC vents. As long as, yun lang, medyo lalakasan mo lang talaga yung air conditioning mo as a driver. So, aside from that, I think that the Hyundai Venue is really a good choice. You should really consider it. And I made a video about this, kaka-upload lang natin, kaka-release lang. So go ahead and check it out. Nandiyan lang yan sa ating YouTube channel. Subscribe and follow for more. Sana nakatulong. See you on our full review.